Hello, everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. Today is September 9th, and I'm excited to be with you guys to talk about this awesome program that I've been a part of since September 2017. And as you can see within in the thumbnail, 8 months down, 60,000 plus for the year. And I'm extremely excited because seeing that I've been in this program for so long, I've learned new traffic generation strategies that I've been using and teaching my team how to use. And we've been using our co-op traffic, and it is giving us amazing results. So please stay tuned to the end, because what we're going to do is discuss some free traffic strategies that I've been using. Also my results with this business, how I've been doing the last few weeks, and what I'm implementing for my team to kind of push ahead much faster. For those that don't know, I've been online since 2015, and after struggling for over a year online with digital marketing and affiliate marketing, I finally broke the code, and I'm here to tell you that it's really simple to do and something that's easy to learn. All you need is the right product, you need traffic, you need a blueprint so that you know exactly what to do every day when you get online to start marketing your business opportunity. That's extremely important. Make sure to connect with me through Facebook. If you're not connected, you can also reach out to me. My email and my phone number information will be located in the description below. Okay, so for those that don't know, the program that I've been with since September of 2017 is called the Power Lead System, which is a traffic generation funnel that allows you to generate traffic and leads on a consistent basis for your business. If you do not have a business, you can promote the Power Lead System as a standalone program and earn commissions at 5 different levels, okay? And of course, the higher the level, the more money you get to make. Not only that, the more traffic generation strategies you're going to be able to learn. So going into my account, I'm going to go ahead and log in from the beginning. This is my account. And right now, I'm currently at $823 for the week. This was for last week. That was deposited to my account. You know, either you can do direct deposit or you can do a debit card, okay? And we get paid every single Wednesday from the Power Lead System through direct deposit or through a debit card. So going here into my commissions earned right now for the week, I'm at a total of $60 for the week. The week starts over every single Sunday, and the week closes every single Saturday, okay? So all the commissions that you earn from these different levels will add up and total out for the week, every single week, from Sunday through Saturday. Okay, for last week, I earned a total of $1,210 for the week of September 2nd through September 8th. And these are the breakdowns of where the commissions were earned. So I can click on details and it tell me exactly the people who paid in. It'll give me a phone number, email address, and what levels they came in at, okay? What we are using is a done-for-you funnel that anybody can get plugged into, and then we're just running traffic to that funnel. What happens is when you do that, you're going to get an email through your Gmail account that tells you the people that signed up. So just not too long ago, about 20 minutes ago, I had a gold member that came in. Every time a gold member come in, that's a $20 residual commission. I had 3 of them today. Well, yeah, 4 of them today. So that's $80 in residual income, okay? I had a diamond member that came in yesterday. That's a $100 commission. A gold commission here, a fast start bonus, which is a $400 commission, another diamond. And every time you have opt-ins or people that sign up, you are going to get a notification. So you'll have an idea of where your signups are coming from, where your opt-ins are coming from. So what I do is I promote using Facebook, but I don't do it the way the average person does it, okay? What I do is I go out and I send requests to people who are in the same niche as me that are looking to earn money online. And what I do is I let them see the stuff that's on my page. Once they receive my friend request, I will go in and just say, you know, thanks for reaching out to me. Thanks for connecting with me. Glad to meet you. And what happens is because people are just curious by nature, they will go in and opt into my capture page. Not only that, I do use solo ad through our co-op, and I pay for traffic on a weekly basis. We're spending anywhere from $170 to $230 for traffic. And when you do that consistently, you can bring in thousands of dollars online. So what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of weeks is I'm going to be breaking down exactly my journey from the first month that I started and the commissions I bought in and how they grew over time based on some of the strategies that I use on a daily basis to bring in this income. Okay, if we go here to the prediction report, I'm sorry, not the prediction report, the commissions earned, and I go into my commission payment history here, over $60,000 for 2018, and we still have 4 months left of this year. So this is just really my first full year with this business. And within a year, because I started September of 2017, I generated close to $70,000 within 1 year, okay? Just running traffic to my funnel and allowing the funnel to do the work on the back end. This is something that anybody can do as long as you have the blueprint and you know exactly what to do. For everyone that comes in as a diamond or platinum member is going to receive my funnel in the setup, and then you're going to also get the different traffic strategies that I use, and you'll be able to implement that and get started right away. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to follow my results. And if you would like to reach out to me, all of my information will be in the description below for you to reach out to me to get started or to get more information, because I'm here to help as many people as possible to simplify the process, to start earning an income, and really the sky's the limit. Because with these levels, once you are in them, in these different levels, you can earn unlimited commissions just by paying out one time at these 3 levels. And of course, you have your monthly fee of $53 at the gold level, which allows you to get the residual income. So thanks again for watching my video. I want everyone to have a great week. Stay inspired. Keep pushing forward if you are you're starting your online journey. And I'm here to help if you need me. So thanks again and have a great night.